Just a quick job on my bike, just a quick maintenance job. I thought it's high time to replace my bike's air filter. I'm going with Apido air filter, which I got from Lazada. It's been a while since I last changed my bike's air filter. I can't recall exactly when, but yeah, it's been more than a couple of years. It's been more than 2 years since I last changed my bike's air filter. Almost 3 years na yata. And I think I thought it was high time that I got around to changing my bike's air filter. The air filter for my Honda RS150. Actually, matagal ko na dapat na change yung air filter. Should have changed it quite some time ago already. Should have. But you know what happened, quarantine, lockdown and all that. I've been working from home, just leaving the house once or twice a week just to do some quick errands and stuff. But there wasn't really any need to, or at least urgency to have my bike's air filter changed. But I finally got around to doing it. Yeah, just a quick job. The air filter is under the bike's seat and you just need to remove a few screws, 4 screws all in all. Tornilyo, tanggal lang ng tornilyo, apat, and we have the air filter element exposed. So again, I'm going with Apido air filter, which I got from Lazada. A few days ago, I went on Lazada looking for air filter for my RS150. I was actually considering whether I should get a washable air filter, but based on the reviews that I've seen and advice that I've seen, you have to clean the washable air filter every 1,000 to 2,000 kilometers. And the lazy ass that I am, nuts to that, man. Yeah. So here we have the air filter. A little bit dirty, but it's not that dirty. Understandable since, for the most part, how long has it been? More than 1.5 years already in lockdown or quarantine. More than 1.5 years already just staying at home, working from home. Yeah, so hindi masyadong madumi, but still, what the heck? Let's change the filter with the new one. Mura lang naman yung filter. I got it for around 100, 110 pesos. Hopefully, it's a good filter. And it seems to, from, well, at least my inspection at least, looks like a good filter. Apido air filter. Hopefully, maganda nga siya. But, we'll see. I mean, mura lang naman siya. At least, if I encounter any problems with it, it's just going to be a quick change. FYI, I got more than one air filter since nandun na tayo sa website ng Lazada ordering the air filter. I ordered 3, just to save up on the delivery charge. Even though mura lang din naman yung delivery charge. Delivery charge was quite affordable, 30, 40 pesos I think, if I recall correctly. Still, I ordered 3. If the air filter gets really dirty or there's a problem with the air filter, I can easily change it with another one. Mura lang naman. But I think from the looks of it, it looks good. I compared it side by side, quick comparison with the old air filter that I had on the bike, and they look pretty much the same. Maganda naman itsura nung Apido air filter, so hopefully maganda nga siya. At least, hopefully decente yung air filter. Hopefully it will last more than a year. But since it's just an air filter, I'm not really expecting any problems with it. So yeah. And that's it. Like I said, a quick job. Mabilis lang yung pagpalit ng air filter ng RS150. Easily accessible. Unlike the battery, man, when I changed the battery of this bike, sure, the battery was easily accessible, You can easily remove the panel covering the battery case, but because of the design of the case, it was very hard to remove the old battery and very hard to install the battery. I still managed it, but took me some time. Speaking of the new battery, the MD Lithium-Ion battery that I installed on my bike, the Motodenchi Lithium-Ion battery, a little update. So far, so good. It's been 5-6 days since I installed the battery. And so far, so good. Thankfully, hopefully, it will continue to perform fine. It's, again, MD or Motodenchi Lithium-Ion battery, DLF-P7ZS. It's compatible with batteries na YTX5LBS or YTX7LBS, YTZ7S, tsaka YB7CA na battery size.